Top 5 things to remember when filing your 2021 income tax return in 2022. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back. In today's video, we have some very important things from the IRS directly on how to avoid 2021 tax return delays, as well as a very special reminder on what you need to put in terms of your AGI on your 2021 tax return if your 2020 tax return has not been processed. So you want to stay tuned for that. This information is being shared from irs.gov. It was updated January 20th, 2022 today, and you can find it on irs.gov in the newsroom. All right. It says, with filing season starting January 24, the Internal Revenue Service want to remind taxpayers about several key items to keep in mind when filing your 2021 federal income tax return. All right. Given the unprecedented circumstances around the pandemic and unique challenges for this tax season, the IRS offers a 5-point checklist, a cheat sheet that can help taxpayers speed up tax return processing and avoid refund delays. All right. Number 1 is to file an accurate tax return and to use e-file and direct deposit. You want to file electronically and choose direct deposit as soon as you have all of your information to accurately and correctly file your tax return. You do not want to mail your tax return. All right. My daughter is still waiting on her mail 2019 taxes. Make sure to avoid mail if you can. All right. Taxpayers have many choices according to the IRS, including finding you a trusted tax professional to complete your taxes, or you can use the IRS free file. Check out the video I did in the playlist pinned in the comment section, as well as in the description box, on the IRS free file system, step by step on how to use it, as well as the partners. Now, moving on to number 2. For an accurate return, collect all documents before preparing your 2021 tax return. Make sure you have your stimulus payment and your child tax credit information, in addition to your W-2s, your forms 1099, and other income-related statements. You do not want to try to use your last paycheck at the end of December. You want to make sure you have your actual W-2 and your advanced child tax credit letter, which is 6419. The IRS is sending those letters out this month. If you do not really receive your letter 6419, you can find it on the information from that letter can be found on irs.gov on the child tax credit portal. It will give you the amount of the advanced child tax credit payments that you received in 2021, so you know how much of the credit you can claim when you file your 2021 tax return. Also, you want to look out for letter 6475, which is your third economic impact payment. If you missed that payment, you haven't received it, and you were eligible for it, you may be eligible to claim that payment as a recovery rebate credit. Or if you did not get the full payment, that letter will also be coming to you this month. If you do not receive that letter 6475, you can go on the irs.gov website and you should be able to find it on your online account. When I check my IRS online account, I see the full amount of my third stimulus payments that I receive on there. All right. So if you don't get the letter, you can find the information on the website by logging into your online account. All right. Now, moving on to number 3. Avoid a lengthy phone delays. Use online resources before calling the IRS. The IRS states that the phone demand on the IRS assistant lines remains at an all-time high. To avoid delays, they are urging you to use the resources on the IRS.gov website to get answers to tax questions, forms, and etc. All right. Make sure you check out my video, Tips to Speak with the IRS, pin in the comment section. If you follow those tips, you will be able to speak with the IRS, and you can always stay tuned to this channel and get all of the information that you need. All right, so make sure to stay tuned, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now, number 4 says if you're still waiting on your 2020 tax return to be processed, here is the special tip that the IRS has for you when e-filing your 2021 tax return. In order to validate and successfully submit your electronic tax return on this system, all right, you need to, if you are still waiting on the 2020 taxes, it has not been completed, you need your AGI to put on your 2021 tax return. So for those of you that are still waiting on that 2020 tax return to be processed, here is what the IRS wants you to do. The IRS states that this special tip here is to ensure you don't have any issues with the system accepting your tax return. You want to make sure to enter $0 for last year's AGI on your 2021 tax return if your 2020 tax return has not been processed. For those of you that use the non-filer tool in 2021 to register for the advanced child tax credit payment or the third economic impact payment, you should enter $1 as your prior year AGI. For everyone else, you need to enter your prior year AGI from your last year's tax return. Again, special instructions to validate your 2021 electronic tax return. If your 2020 tax return has not yet been processed, enter $0 for your prior year adjusted gross income. If you use the non-filers tool in 2021 to register for the advanced child tax credit payment or the third economic payment, enter $1 as your prior year AGI according to the IRS.gov website. All right. Now for number 5, free resources are available to help taxpayers file. It says during this challenging year, the IRS reminds taxpayers there are many options for free file, including many resources on the IRS.gov website. For those looking to avoid tax refund delays with a paper tax return, they are suggesting to use the IRS free file option. Again, I have that video pinned in the comments section. Make sure you check it out. All right. It says with the free file, leading tax software providers make their products available so you can file for free as a 20-year partnership with the IRS. It says here that the IRS free file is available to any person or family who earn less than $73,000 in 2021. You also have the options to use the volunteer income tax assistance, VITA, and the tax counseling, the TCE programs, and you can find all of these programs on the IRS.gov website. Just search on the search bar VITA, VITA, or TCE programs, or you can check the playlist. I did videos on all of these programs, the requirements, and how you can find these individual centers. All right, so make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned to this channel for all of the information you need, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.